This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rear shock absorber renewal. Select first gear and chock the front wheels. Fit the locking wheel nut and slacken the wheel bolts if the rear wheels are to be removed. Position the jack under the rear of the vehicle at the correct point as shown and use the jack to raise the vehicle. Position axle stands. Then lower the vehicle onto the axle stands and remove the jack. Place a trolley jack under the hub carrier and raise the suspension a little to take the load off the shock absorber. Undo and remove the rear shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Then undo both of the shock absorber upper mountings. The shock absorber can now be manoeuvred from under the vehicle and removed. With the shock absorber on the bench, remove the flexible upper mounting and then remove the upper components. Now fit the upper components, including the flexible upper mounting, to the new shock absorber. Fit the piston nut and tighten it. The shock absorber can now be fitted to the vehicle. First, fit the shock absorber upper mounting bolts and tighten them with a torque wrench. Next, fit the shock absorber lower mounting bolt, then tighten it with the torque wrench. Lower the trolley jack that was placed under the hub carrier so that the suspension returns to its normal position. Position the jack and raise the rear of the vehicle. Remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Remove the jack. If the wheels have been removed, tighten the wheel nuts.